Today we are reviewing some men's underwear, so let's go ahead and put these on, see if they're true to size, see how well we like them. Alright, so now that we have them on, they're actually very comfortable. So they're tight, but they're not super tight. So you can see they're fairly loose, but yet they tight and they're snug. You have plenty of, how do I word this? Plenty of room in the front, which is nice. So they're tight, they hold things in, but yet there's room to not suffocate you. But yeah, they're nice. I actually like the comfort. Now, if you're doing exercises or stuff, moving around, these are the kind of boxers that over time, every so often you're gonna have to pull them down as you walk and as you're just doing your normal day. Which a lot of boxers that are this high up are like that. The best way to get away from that, get away from the riding up, as you will, is to get boxers that go down to like here, which then they're like super loose everywhere. They don't really hold anything in. But that's just a different style. So yeah, I like them though. These are similar to what I've been wearing now, so I'm happy with them.